2025, officers in Akron, Ohio were dispatched to a building after reports of people breaking into the basement and hiding in there.
Did you see anybody going to the basement, sir?
I ain't seen nobody go in the basement, but I see shit behind me.
Okay. What is this basement? Just storage?
It's all over the floor. And then flings it down the steps.
Is this just a basement for storage?
There's a basement for laundry and storage. We haven't been able to use it
Okay.
since it's been screwed
Right.
shut.
People don't live in there? People aren't supposed to live in there?
I don't know if anybody's in there. I haven't seen anybody in there.
Akron Police, open the door.
Okay, I'm the maintenance supervisor.
Okay. What did you guys see? Why'd you?
Yeah, I can show you.
Because we have people in there, but it's like the laundry room, isn't it?
It is.
Okay.
But they don't have permission to be in the laundry room.
Okay. That's we're trying to figure out what's going on with
I
it.
get it.
So the residents aren't allowed in there, or?
No, because we've had this problem with break-ins, so we've made it off limits, and we're still having.
So it's been
issues.
completely secured and
Correct.
nobody's allowed in.
Correct.
Because we have 2 people detained and we think more people are down there.
Okay.
Okay. We're trying to figure out what you saw, if they forced entry in or.
Yeah, my problem is I got a call from one of the residents who said that they're breaking into the basement. I said, what the hell? I didn't get any notification from my security system. I went on the security system and it looks like it hadn't been armed.
Okay.
So I didn't get the picture. They went and cranked, there's a camera in there, and they cranked the camera down to the floor. So what I have is still not a good picture. I don't have them entering in.
Okay, so you just have them, you just saw them kind of in there.
Correct.
You did not see them forced entry.
Correct.
Anyway, you just knew people were in a basement that they're not supposed to be in.
Correct. No, I can't even seem to get any video of.
How many people did you
Such a
see?
live video, just one.
Just one.
What'd you see, a male or female?
I think it was a female.
You think so? Okay. Did you see shoes or something? Because you said it was pointed down?
Her, yeah, but it was pointed down, but it looked, there's a little bit of a hole that goes underneath the stairs there. I think she was putting something in there, getting something out of there. But yeah, I'm not even seeing that now.
Okay. What's your name, sir?
Your memory?
Is it James?
It is.
Okay.
Pretty wide open to the right. It's like a door and stuff.
Okay.
I'm gonna bury this corner here.
Alright. I don't see anybody over here. Yeah, that's clear over here. Can that go anywhere?
Then hold it from the outside.
Akron Police, we're not going away. Come to the door. Come out. Come out now. Hands up. Come out right now with nothing in your hands. Come out.
Hands up. Put your hands on your head. Hands on your head. Stop right there. Turn around.
Female, stop.
Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking.
Keep them on your head. Keep them on your fucking head.
Turn around. Face away. Let's walk backwards. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking.
Get the next
Keep
one.
walking. Keep walking. Walk backwards. Akron Police,
to the front. Got anything on you that's going to poke stickers to have me?
I don't do anything. I poke something.
Huh?
I don't think I have anything.
Okay, well that's good, thank you.
Oh, it won't lie.
That's fine, that's fine.
All I have on there,
You got 2 pairs of pants on?
I know. I've got a pair of jogging pants on.
Base is clear. 2 more apprehensions. 4 total.
Why don't you come out?
We didn't hear you.
Huh?
It's not hurt.
You didn't hear us?
No, we did either. That's why I said here I am.
No, we've been here for like 20 minutes with the dog barking and everything, man. Come up with a new one. Right, pull your pants up. Pull your pants up, your ass hanging up. How many shirts you got on? 2?
I really don't know, man. So you can look. See.
Hold on. Yep. Alright. In the back of this cruiser for us.
Sure.
You got warrants? Huh? You said yes?
Yeah, Ashley and she definitely told the guy's name.
We have to. We can pop these off. There it is. Ready?
Yep.
You got the key for that deadbolt? I'm just gonna keep that pin. I think it locked itself again. I still have it. I think.
Try out through the deadbolt.
Yeah, I got it.
Come out, make yourself known. Come out right now with nothing in your hands. Come out.
Hands up. Put your hands on your head. Hands on your head. Stop right there. Turn around.
Female, stop.
Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking.
Keep going.
Turn around. Face away from us. Walk backwards. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking.
I got her.
Keep walking.
Back up.
Who else is back there?
No.
Stop.
Akron Police, everyone else inside, make your presence known.
We got a bathroom.
They were arrested and charged with obstructing official business. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. This video is presented for educational and documentary purposes only.